Hi everyone, welcome back to our cozy podcast. I'm Emma and today I'm sitting here with Sophie. Hi Sophie.
Hi Emma. Hi everyone. I'm so excited about this episode because we're talking about my favorite thing in the world, Christmas atmosphere.
And I'm here to bring balance because my heart belongs to autumn. I love everything about it. The air, the colors, the calm feeling. So this might be a friendly fight.
A very friendly one. But let's be honest, autumn is nice, but Christmas is magical.
Well, autumn is magical too, just in a different way. For example, I love walking in the park when the air is cool and the leaves are everywhere. The view is so pretty, especially when the sun is low and the ground feels sandy under your shoes.
Okay, that does sound beautiful. And I like autumn too, but it always makes me start thinking about Christmas. When the evenings get darker and the weather gets foggy, I suddenly feel like putting on fairy lights.
I know. You always start thinking about Christmas early. I remember last year it was October, and you already sent me a message like, "Emma, listen to this Christmas song."
And you ignored me.
Because it was too early. I wasn't ready. I was still enjoying pumpkins.
But pumpkins and Christmas can live together. You can have pumpkins on the table and Christmas in your heart.
That sounds like the title of your future book. But I get it. There is something special about that early Christmas mood. Even I feel it sometimes, especially when I sit by the window with a warm drink and look outside. The calm atmosphere really makes you think about holidays.
See? Christmas wins again.
Not so fast. Autumn has its own traditions. For example, I always go for long walks. Sometimes the weather is a bit foggy, but I actually enjoy it. It makes the city look soft and quiet.
Fog can be nice, yes. I like fog too, but only when I'm safe inside a cafe, not when I'm walking near a river that feels dangerous.
True, it can be dangerous. But for me, it feels romantic. And I like watching the boats on the water when the fog is thin. It's peaceful.
Speaking of boats, I sometimes go on a small boat trip with friends in autumn. We don't go far, just around the lake, but there's always a security guard on board, so everything is safe. And when the air is cold, the whole trip feels extra cozy.
Okay, that's actually nice. I would join you for that.
You should. And after the boat trip, we usually go to someone's home, drink hot tea, and talk for hours. And that's when I start thinking, maybe it's time for the first Christmas candle.
You and your candles? But fine, candles are great. I also use them a lot in autumn. Vanilla, cinnamon, apple, the usual warm smells. They make the room feel calm.
Yes, and that is the first step toward Christmas atmosphere. Light a candle, drink something warm, look at the view, and boom, Christmas mood.
Or an autumn mood.
You are impossible. But really, I think the early Christmas feeling isn't about decorations or presents. It's about getting cozy, spending time with people you like, and slowing down.
Actually, that's something we agree on. Autumn teaches people to slow down too. Summer is loud and busy, but autumn is calm. You have time to think, to rest, to read.
Yes, and then Christmas comes with energy again. Parties, music, lights, singing.
You like singing, don't you?
Of course, Christmas songs are the best. Sometimes I even perform at small events in December. Nothing big, just singing with local musicians.
That's so sweet. You should film one of your performances this year.
Maybe I will. Then you'll have to watch it.
Obviously. I'm your #1 fan, even though your concerts are in full Christmas style.
I'll make you love Christmas more than autumn one day.
Not possible, but I can appreciate both. For example, I never start shopping for presents early, but I do start thinking about it in autumn, like, okay, who needs what this year? Not buying yet, just planning.
I actually start in October. Just a few things. It helps me spend money slowly instead of all at once.
Smart. I always spend everything in 1 week and then cry.
Same, but only if I'm not organized. And autumn helps me organize. I also watch cozy movies in this season, not Christmas ones yet, but the ones with warm colors and cafes and rain.
Yes, autumn movies are perfect. And I love quiet evenings at home. I drink tea, sit under a blanket, maybe read something. The air outside feels cold, but the room feels warm. That is my perfect autumn moment.
For me, the perfect late autumn moment is when I wake up and the air is fresh and foggy, but I don't have to hurry anywhere. I make a hot drink, maybe ginger tea, and sit near the window. Then I feel like writing Christmas cards already.
You write them so early?
Sometimes. If I make handmade cards, I need time. I draw them, decorate them, sign them. It's a whole project.
That's adorable. I always write mine last minute. Like, I'm literally standing next to the Christmas tree looking for a pen.
Classic Emma.
Look, Christmas is nice. I'm not saying it isn't. It's beautiful and warm and full of light. But autumn is calmer, more natural. It's like the world tells you, slow down, breathe, look around.
And Christmas tells you, enjoy, celebrate, love people loudly.
So, basically, autumn is the quiet friend and Christmas is the loud, fun one.
Exactly. And I think that's why they go so well together. Autumn prepares your heart and Christmas fills it.
Wow, that was poetic.
Thank you. I practiced in the shower.
Okay, I think we can agree both seasons are special, but for different reasons.
Yes, you bring the calm, I bring the sparkle.
Perfect team.
Thank you all for listening to our cozy conversation today. We hope you feel at least a little autumn calm or a little Christmas magic, or both.
Stay warm, stay happy, and we'll talk to you next time.
Bye.